Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic, and this topic is Existentialism in Waiting for Godot, which is a play written by Samuel Becket. Before discussing Waiting for Godot as an existentialist play, we must know what is existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophy that repudiates mean decline, the idea that religion brings meaning to life. It educates the idea that individuals are made to bring meaning in their lives. It focuses on the idea that it is the individuals who the individual who has to discover the meaning of life through personal experiences in the earthly world. In simple words, a person who searches for the meaning of life is an existentialist. We cannot detach a writer from her writing. The belief and daily routine of a writer provides the raw material for her writings. Samuel Beckett had led a life of isolation. He did not want to meet his friends. He even declined the love offer of his beloved with the remarks that I have no human-like feelings. A person who has such beliefs about life will definitely put his ideas in his works. The play Waiting for Godot is an existentialist play because in it we can see the basic questions about life that many of us would like to ask. In the play Waiting for Godot, Vladimir and Estragon are the representative of human beings. They are so sick of their life that they want to hang themselves. Vladimir takes off his cape time and again. This symbolizes our daily routine. We do our jobs in such a way. Similarly, Estragon takes off his shoes and searches for some dangerous things in it. It shows the difficulty that we face in life. So they are searching their salvation in Godot. They are waiting for Godot because they think that meeting with Godot will bring something good for them. It also symbolizes the modern men who are waiting for something which will change their lives and will bring some comfort and solace, but that thing does not come. In the play, Godot does not come, but they wait for him. And there is a very good quotation from the play. Nothing happens, nobody comes, nobody goes. It is awful. So it means that in the end, nothing happens. Their efforts were purposeless. According to it, life does not have any meaning and purpose. So it is a very basic question which Samuel Beckett is asking about life. What is the aim and what is the meaning and purpose of life? He asks such questions in this play. So this play is can be regarded as an existentialist play because a person who searches for the meaning of life is an existentialist. So in this sense, this play Waiting for Godot is an existentialist play. According to this play, life does not have any meaning and purpose. So it is a very basic question that Samuel Beckett is asking, and in this sense Samuel Beckett was an existentialist, and this play Waiting for Godot is an existentialist play. So to conclude, we can say that Waiting for Godot is an existentialist play because it deals with the nothingness of human life. It deals with the meaning of human life. So the writer says that the whole of our life we wait for something good to come, but that thing never comes in our life. So it was all about the play, Waiting for Godot as an existentialist play. Hope you may have understood it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.